Do you know that India has more than 24,000 PhD graduates annually, making it one of the top 5 countries with most PhD holders in the world? But one thing I'm sure you don't know is that for these aspiring researchers, writing a research proposal is often one of the most challenging and time-consuming steps. From selecting the right topic to structuring their ideas clearly, many struggle to meet the rigorous expectations of academic committees and funding bodies. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of developing and writing a compelling research proposal. So stay tuned till the end of this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before starting to write a research proposal, first, it's important to understand why it's needed. A research proposal is like a plan for a research project. It explains what you want to study, how will you do it, and why it is important. So let's know how you can easily write and develop your research proposal. Number 1. Identifying the problem. Now, the first step in developing a research proposal is finding the research problem. This problem should be significant, relevant, and clear with the potential to contribute new knowledge to your field. Take the time to thoroughly review existing literature and identify gaps in the research that your study aims to address. Number 2. Formulating research questions. Once you have identified the research problem, the next step involves in formulating a clear and focused research question. These questions should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, guiding the direction of your research and providing a framework for your study. Third, designing and methodology. The methodology section of your research proposal outlines the processes and techniques you will use to conduct your research. This section should detail the research design, data collection methods, sampling procedures, and data analysis techniques. It is important to ensure that your methodology is rigorous and aligns with the objective of your study. Number 4. Justifying the significance. One of the most crucial aspects of research proposal is justifying the significance of your study. Explain why your research is important, innovative, and impactful, highlighting the potential implications of your findings for your field and beyond. In conclusion, writing a research proposal is a challenging process which includes careful planning, attention to detail, and persuasive writing. By following these steps and guidelines, you can create a compelling research proposal that sets the stage for a successful research project. And with that, I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching.